Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a read more blocks to your post on your Tumblr application. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a how to use read more block option on your Tumblr post while just creating the post. Just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, just going to add something here like just some text like post whatever. Okay. Then I'm just going to add a poll here. So some polls here like that. Then I just need to make a actually I just said about this. This is the thing. You just click on this. You can there is a limit of only one read more blocks per post. So I just added a one actually. So you can see there is an option like more and with a line. This is how we just add a read more blogs per post. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with the super valuable content. This is Deluxe signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.